Now let's explore on how to use a timeline widget of a classic add-on plugin. First open the Elementor editor and click on this plus icon to add a new section, or you can add it in your existing section. And here you can choose your preferred layout. And in the left sidebar click on this widget and search for the timeline. Simply click on it to add it in your section. And in the left side layouts you can see timeline style. You can choose it from style 1, style 2 and style 3. Now let's choose style 1. And the next option is timeline layout. You can choose a left layout or right layout. Let's choose right layout. The next option is history line style. Choose it from solid, dotted or dashed. Let's choose dotted. And the next part is timeline, and here you can edit this history one. The first option is timeline position. You can change it same side or opposite side. Here let's choose opposite side. And the next one is timeline title. Here you can edit your title for the timeline. And the next option is timeline subtitle. Enter your subtitle here. And the next option is separator shape, and choose your preferred shape here. Let's choose circle. The next option is separator type. Here you can choose from icon, image or text. Let's choose icon. The next option is icon. Here you can choose your preferred icon from the icon library. Search and find your preferred icon and click on insert. The next option is separator color. Here you can select your preferred color for the separator. The next one is separator BG color. Select your preferred color here. The next one is separator title. Enter your separator title here. And the next option is separator subtitle. Here you can enter your subtitle. And the next option is content. Enter your content for this timeline here. If you want to add new item, you can click here and add. Also you can duplicate this easily. And here you can change this timeline position. And the next option is timeline title. Enter your timeline title here. And the next one is timeline subtitle. And here you can change the separator shape and separator type. And then here you can change your icon. Also you can change your separator color and background color here, and enter your separator title here. And here you can enter a separator subtitle and this option for content. Close this and let's duplicate and change your timeline position here. And here you can change the timeline title, and here you can change your type subtitle. And the next option is for separator shape, and the next one is separator type. And here you can change your icon if you want. Also you can change separator color here, and this option for separator background color. And here you can change your separator title, and here you can change your separator subtitle, and this is for content. Let's move to the style, and here you can enter outer space value for this timeline. Let's give 10 pixels each side. The next one is padding. Here you can enter inner space value for this timeline. Let's give 30 pixels. And the next one is color. Here you can change the color for the timeline. And the next one is background color. If you want set background color, you can choose your preferred color here. And the next one is typography. Here you can change font family and font style for this timeline. The next part is timeline content, and here you can change this background color for this timeline. And here you can change the font color. Also you can change it in the overview too. Let's change this background color now. And if you want to enable box shadow, here you can enable it easily. Also you can change the style of the box shadow here. And the next option is timeline title. Here you can change the title color. Also you can change it in the overview too. The next option is timeline separator. You can change the separator color here. And the next one is separator content color. Choose your preferred color here. And the next one is separator shape color. Here you can choose your preferred color for separator shape. And here you can choose the separator BG's color. And if you want to set border color, here you can choose a preferred color. Finally update it and let's check it in the output.